Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the display orientation in Windows 10. Adjusting the display orientation can greatly improve your viewing experience. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Step 2. In the Settings window, choose System. Step 3. Select Display from the options. Step 4. Under Scale and Layout, locate the drop-down list labeled Display Orientation and choose the desired display orientation. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the display orientation in Windows 10. By customizing the display orientation, you can optimize your viewing experience and make it more comfortable for your needs. Whether you prefer a landscape orientation for a wider view, a portrait orientation for reading or working with documents, or even an inverted orientation for specific scenarios, Windows 10 allows you to easily switch between them. Remember, you can always go back to the settings and adjust the display orientation to your preference. And there you have it. You now know how to change the display orientation in Windows 10. Whether you want to rotate your screen for a presentation, adapt it to your workflow, or simply try something new, this simple adjustment can greatly enhance your user experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.